Welcome to The Plug, your go-to source for unlocking viral video secrets. In this 10-part series, we're showing you how to create trending YouTube videos, the kind that rack up views and grow your channel fast using only free tools. Today is part 1, and we're starting with the most powerful tool of them all. Welcome to The Plug, where we show you how to create viral content without spending a dime. This is part 1 of our 10-part series, how to make trending YouTube videos using free tools. And today, we're plugging you into Dreamina AI, an insanely powerful text-to-video generator. It turns simple prompts into high-quality AI-generated videos, fast. And guess what? You can use it 100% for free. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up. Alright, step 1, use a VPN. Now, I'm not going to insult your intelligence by telling you to sign up first. Come on, that's obvious, right? What you do need is a VPN to access Dreamina if it's not available in your country. Any VPN works. But if you want something free and reliable, I recommend Urban VPN. Just grab the browser extension, not the app. Trust me, it runs smoother. Pick a location like the US or UK, and you're all set. Other locations are not working, like Nigeria, but wait, this is where the free part kicks in. I don't want to make the video long, so this is part 1. You signed up and downloaded your VPN. Let's kick into the next gear. In part 2, subscribe and comment.